Welcome to 30 Days to Build an AI. Every day we'll spend just around 10 minutes building step by step, and best of all, it's completely free. Day 5, Installing Open WebUI. If you're excited to build along with me, let's train YouTube together. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. Let's open up our Ubuntu server. Start typing Ubuntu in the search bar, and when it appears in your menu, just click on it. Remember Ctrl+ if you want to make the font bigger. Now let's scroll through our commands to find our sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y command. Enter your password. Let's have a look at what we will get done today. Learn another 3 Linux commands. Install a couple of terminal fun tools, Cowsay and Fortune. Add Open WebUI to your Docker Compose file. Run your AI in Open WebUI. Now for our new Linux commands history. Shows all your full command history. All of your commands you have used appear in a list and are numbered. You can use that number to run the command just by putting an exclamation mark in front of it. Exclamation mark 238 runs command number 238. Remember, Docker PS shows us which containers are running, which can show us where the command line of a program is stored, which cmatrix shows us the path to the command like cmatrix. And which Docker shows us where the command line to Docker is found. Why don't we add a little talking cow into our terminal? Type sudo apt install cowsay -y. Now type cowsay hello world or cowsay I'm ready to chat. In fact, you can get your cow to say whatever you want. We can also get our cow to tell us our fortune. Let's install another program. This one is called Fortune. Type sudo apt install fortune -y. Now it has installed. Type fortune cowsay. If we want to run the fortune cowsay command again, we can use our history command. Type history, type exclamation mark 242. And there you have it, another message from your cow. Now it's time to get back to work on our AI. Open WebUI is like a chill front end for your AI. No terminal, no stress. You open it in your browser, type like you're messaging someone, and boom, your AI actually talks back. You can change its vibe, name, memory, even switch which brain it's using. It's like ChatGPT. If ChatGPT moved out, got its own place, and said no thanks to the cloud, you're in full control. No spying, no limits, no API keys. Just you and your brainy digital sidekick, one tab away. First, we need to edit our Docker Compose file. Type nano my AI, docker-compose.yaml. We place the Open WebUI section after a llama and before volumes. Make sure your indentations are correct. Start typing Open WebUI. Image ghcr.io/open-webui/open-webui:main. Container_name. Open WebUI ports 3000 to 8080. Volumes, open WebUI underscore data :/app /back and /data. Environment, Olama underscore base underscore URL equals http ://ol llama :11 for 34 depends underscore on WebUI underscore secret underscore key equals dev dash secret dash key depends underscore on Olama restart always health check test cmd curl f http ://localhost:8080 interval 30s timeout 10s retries 5. Scroll down to volumes and under Olama type open WebUI underscore data, the Control-O enter, followed by Control-X enter to save and exit Nano. Now to get our containers back up and running. Change to my AI directory then. Type docker compose -d. Type docker exec olama run Mistral. Once Mistral is running, go to your web browser and type http localhost 9000 and sign into Portainer. Go to dashboard and you will notice you have 3 containers. Click on the 3 containers window. All containers should be displaying green running or healthy tabs. Now in a new tab on your browser type http localhost 3000. When it opens, sign into Open WebUI. And here you did it. Your own AI in a web browser. Have a play with your AI. Say hello or ask it some questions. Just have some fun with it. And for a little preview of our preview, tomorrow we will be using these menus to personalize our AI. Finally, for today, let's bring up our notepad and check off what we have achieved. Learn another 3 Linux commands. Check. Install a couple of terminal fun tools, Cowsay and Fortune. Check. Add Open WebUI to your Docker Compose file. Check. Run your AI in Open WebUI. Check. So what's happening on day 6? We will install Toilet onto our terminal and have fun combine Figlet, Cowsay, and Toilet. And as for our AI, we will give them a name, a tone, and a character. No more generic assistant. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.